Festive season is approaching and there are a lot of brands that are making new makeup products. I recently did a Project Pan video where I mentioned that I would not be buying any new makeup until I am able to finish my old makeup. But there is so much new makeup in the market that I wasn't able to resist myself. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would be talking about a few of the new launches that are currently available in the market, and I would be sharing about what excited me amongst all these launches, and would be taking you through a few of the new launches and the color selection they have, the price point they have, and even the places where they are available at the best price, just to save you guys from overspending the way I did. This particular video would not just be me talking about the new launches. I actually purchased a few of them, so I would be showing you those products simultaneously as I'll talk about them. So this is sort of what's new in the makeup section and a little makeup haul of the products that I recently purchased. So without talking more, let's get into the first brand. If you are a makeup junkie, you definitely must be following Nykaa either on their website or on their Instagram page, and you must already be aware about the fact that Calabar has collaborated with none other than Jacqueline Fernandez, and they have curated a set of new makeup products. The collection has a few makeup palettes, some lipsticks, and even some highlighters, and I'm really interested in trying the eyeshadow palette called the Nectar Crush. These eyeshadow palettes actually retail for 2200 rupees, and that is the reason I haven't bought these eyeshadow palettes yet. I am also personally interested in buying the Sinful matte lip colors from Calabar. They do have this formula earlier also, but now as they have collaborated with Jacqueline, they have introduced 4 new shades, and the packaging, the stars on the actual bullet looks actually beautiful, and I would love to try that formula too, but again it is a little on the pricier side, and that is the reason I haven't bought it yet. I am actually either maybe going to skip it as of now because I am supposedly on a no buy, or I would actually wait for a very good deal on those products, and then maybe I'll be able to show you those products. So this was the first brand that I want to talk to you guys about. Now if we talk about some high-end brand, then Too Faced also launched their new eyeliners. These eyeliners are actually just available in 4 different color options, and they retail for somewhere around 1300 rupees. So it is of course pricey for an eyeliner, but for Too Faced I guess it is somewhere on the decent price range. Again, it was like 1300 for an eyeliner, and I do have a lot of eyeliners, so I did not buy that eyeliner, but yes, this is something that certainly did attract me. The next products that I would like to talk to you about are by the brand Mamaearth. Now you must be thinking that Mamaearth is a skincare brand, and why am I including in this newly launched makeup section? So there is a good news for makeup lovers from Mamaearth. Mamaearth has recently launched their color care kajals, and I do have both of them with me right here. I'll just tell you about these products first, and then talk to you about why these products are exciting and why am I such a fan of the brand. So this first product is Mamaearth Charcoal Black Long Stay Kajal, and the second one is their Charcoal Black Long Stay Kohl. Both of them are actually eye products, and both of them are in the shade black. Now kohl or kajal is something that we usually apply on a day-to-day basis just to enhance our beauty, but we generally do not think about the ingredients that are used in making those products. Both of these products from Mamaearth are made from chamomile and castor oil, and so they are completely natural and completely safe for your eyes. Now if you will say that because it is made of natural ingredients, is it transfer proof? So yes, both of these products are 100% waterproof, smudge proof, and long lasting. I would be swatching both of these products in this video and would be showing you that they are actually waterproof and smudge proof. So before talking more about the brand and why I exactly love this brand, let's get into the swatch section of these products. So the first product we have from the brand is their Charcoal Black Long Stay Kohl, and this is how it looks like. So this is basically a sharpenable pencil. You will have to sharp this pencil to use the product further. The good part is that it comes with its own little sharpener, which is very easy to use and very handy. I quickly swatch the product for you guys. See how black it is. I have just swatched the product once, and this is how deep believe how black this particular one is. I would be showing you that these products are smudge proof and waterproof in a while, but first I'll quickly swatch the other product as well. So this is their long stay kajal, and unlike the other one, this is actually a retractable pencil. So all you have to do is just twist it from the base and you can get the product. I'll quickly swatch this one also. I'll just do it underneath this. So this is how the kajal looks like. It has been a minute since I've applied both of these kajal and kohl on my hand. Now I'll just quickly do a smudge test. I'll just rub my finger across it and see. It doesn't smudge. Did you see that the product did not smudge at all? I am rubbing my finger pretty hard and there is no smudge whatsoever. Now I'll just quickly try the waterproof claim by the brand. Let's see whether the products fulfill the claim or not. I have taken water in a little dropper right here, and I will just pour water on both of these, and I'll just try and smudge them. Can you see there is no smudging with water also? I'll just try a few drops of water again and just try and smudge the product. There is no smudging at all. The claim by the brand that the products are waterproof is completely 100% true. Now talking about why I love this brand so much, I have already made a separate video about the Ubtan face wash and scrub combo that I love from Mamaearth. If you haven't watched that video, I would be linking that video in the description box down below and somewhere on the I button. So I am not in love with a lot of skincare products, and this particular combo worked for me like magic, and that is when I developed the confidence in the brand Mamaearth. Now if you talk about the brand Mamaearth, firstly it is an Indian brand and the products from Mamaearth are completely free of any harmful chemicals or toxins. Not only this, the brand is completely vegan and cruelty free, and they are also plastic positive. Now you can buy Mamaearth products very easily from either Nykaa, Amazon, Purple, or even from Mamaearth's official website. And if you are looking for Mamaearth products which are specially made for kids, then they are also available on FirstCry, Amazon and Nykaa. But if you want to contribute something to the environment, then I would suggest you buying from Mamaearth's official website, because whenever you buy from their official websites, they link your order to a tree, and the geographical location, the species of the tree and the picture of the tree would be sent to you. Now isn't this an amazing thing? There is a good news for mobile lovers like most of us are these days. Mamaearth has also launched their app where you can easily buy everything from the brand, and you can also access special discount if you are purchasing from their app. Now I am very excited to tell you, if you are buying anything from Mamaearth's official website, you can use my code to get a 20% discount on your purchase. Now that being said, let's jump into the next product. The next product, or I should say the next brand that I recently spotted on the new launches section of Nykaa is C2P Professional Makeup. I won a C2P lipstick kit recently in a FabBag contest, and I've again shared a swatch video and review video on my channel about that brand. And I wasn't actually sure about how to access the brand or where should I get more products from the brand, but they have such an amazing product range, and now those products are very easily available in Nykaa. There were a few products that I had my eyes on, especially the eye pigments and the eye glitters, but for now I did not buy those products. The only product that I bought from C2P this time is this particular lip kit from the brand. I'll quickly show you how this lip kit looks like. It is completely sealed right now. I haven't opened this one. This particular palette contains 8 lipstick colors and it retails for 8.99 rupees, but I bought it on an offer of 20% off. When you'll open the lid, it contains a full-size mirror right here, and here are all the 8 shades that are available in the palette. I am actually planning to do a full swatch and review video on this particular lip kit. So if you're interested in watching the review of this particular lip kit, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do ring the notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever I upload this particular video. Now the next 2 brands that I would be talking about, I would actually be talking about their lipsticks that they recently launched. This might not exactly be a latest, like a very new launch, but the products were launched around a month and a half ago. The first set of lipsticks that I am talking talking about are these particular all day matte lipsticks from Nykaa. These lipsticks are available in 10 color options and they retail for 349 rupees each. I have done a full swatch and review video on all the 5 shades that I have from the collection. I would be linking that video in the description box down below. So if you are interested in knowing more about these Nykaa lipsticks, then do not forget to check the description box. The next set of lipsticks that I would especially like to mention in this video are by the brand My Glam, and they are their lit liquid matte lipsticks. Now I haven't tried these lipsticks earlier, but recently the brand came up with 100 shades of these liquid lipsticks, and they do have a lot of beautiful shades, as you can see, along with some unusual shades like grays and yellows and blue, which are not very easy to find in the Indian market. So I actually was very curious to try those shades, but I didn't want to take a chance about the formula. So I first went ahead with the neutral shades, and if I would like these particular shades, then I would definitely try the more bolder and the unique shades from the collection. These particular lipsticks, as I said, are available in 100 color options and they retail for 395 rupees each. But if you are willing to save a little bit of money, then you should check out Myntra's website, where these products are I guess on a 10 to 15% discount currently. There are actually a lot of new brands and a lot of new products. For example, Streetwear has launched on Nykaa and they do have their lipsticks. MUA Makeup Academy Cosmetics is now available on Nykaa. It was actually maybe available earlier on Nykaa and on Myntra, but they were completely gone for a few years, and now they are back with a lot of new different products. Like they have their lipsticks and they have their eyeshadows and everything actually looks pretty interesting. But again, something that caught my eye was from Makeup Revolution, and it was not their Friends collaboration. By the way, yes, Makeup Revolution do have a Friends collection also, which contains beautiful eyeshadow palettes along with some other products. The collection that actually caught my attention was the XX Revolution, which is available on Nykaa as well as on HOK Makeup, and they do have so many different options to choose from. I actually just bought 2 products from that particular collection, and I ordered my products from HOK Makeup because they were offering a 20% discount on those products, and Nykaa didn't have any discount. So I'll just quickly show you both the products that I have. First is this particular blush from XX Revolution. These blushes are available in just 4 color options and each retail for 850 rupees. But as I said, I bought these particular ones on a 20% discount, so I just paid 680 rupees for this particular blush. I'll quickly show you how the blush looks like. So if you'll open the packaging, this is how the outer box of the blush looks like. Isn't it pretty? Like it looks like a purana suitcase jo hua karta tha, in just a miniature version. It is matte pink, and I do love the packaging of this. The only thing I am not very happy about the fact is that all the 4 blushes actually have this very same packaging. So if you have 2 different blushes, you would have to just turn them around to see the actual color of the blush. But nevertheless, they do have a full size mirror right here, and this is the shade that I bought. The shade is called Vision, and you might not be able to see right now, but it does have minute sparkle particles in it. I am currently wearing this blush on my cheeks, and these sparkle particles are actually not visible on the cheeks, but the pigmentation, the blendability of the blush is just beautiful. The next product that I purchased from XX Revolution is this particular 4-pan eyeshadow palette. Now I am actually in love with the way these eyeshadow palettes look like, and I won't lie, I actually want to have all the 8 colors that are available in the collection, but I restricted myself because each of this palette retails for 975 rupees, and this is how the palette looks like from the outside. Again, it is like a metallic gray, like purane type ka suitcase kind of a packaging, and just like the blusher, even this particular one does have a full length mirror right here, and these are the shades in this palette. 2 of the shades are matte while the other 2 are shimmery. This particular color that I have is called Executive, and it is like a brown colored, brown themed eyeshadow palette. They have a green themed palette, a blue themed palette, and even a gray colored palette. And I am actually interested in all of them, I won't lie. But again, I wanted to try the formula of these eyeshadows first before actually investing in other colors from the collection. So yes, I just bought this particular color and I just love the way it looks. Now, apart from these products, there are a lot of new launches that are there. Like Morphe has launched on Nykaa, Jeffree Star Cosmetics is on Nykaa, although they do not have a lot of products right now, but the brand officially has launched on Nykaa. Tasha Denona has recently launched in India on Sephora India website, and a lot of other products are also there. But I would prefer doing a part 2 of this video where I can actually show you the new launches, but I do not have any of them right now. And if I would include everything in this single video, it would be a very long one. So if you are interested in seeing more new launches from different brands, then do let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you are interested in any particular product and would like to know my thoughts on that product, or want to see an eye makeup look or my review video on that product, then do let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to do it for you guys. So that's it for today's video. I know it was a long one, but I still hope that you enjoyed watching this video. And if you are interested in buying any of these products, then all of these products would be linked in the description box down below. If you decide to buy any of these products, do let me know which particular one got your attention. That's it for today's video. If you liked today's video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do consider subscribing to my channel. I am trying and working towards a lot of festive related content and ready on a budget type of content on my channel. So if you are interested in watching those kind of videos and maybe some festive clothing hauls, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell down below. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.